Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about my current favourite wavy hair product. So sorry about my voice, I've got a cold. So my hair's on day 2. To be fair, I've not got any gel in my hair because I washed my hair yesterday and just left it because I'm not feeling the best. So all that this is, it was washed with a deep conditioner and that was it. And then I used a leave-in. So I'll show you a bit of a refresh today on it. So my favourite shampoo at the moment is the Only Curls Cream Cleanser. I'll put a link up above for my full review on the Only Curls collection. I use this like once a week. It's really, really moisturising. It smells amazing. Not that I can smell anything at the moment. A little goes a long way. It lasts for ages. I've had this, wow, ages now, and a little goes a long way and it doesn't dry your hair out. So that is my favourite shampoo at the moment, which I use once a week. Conditioner wise, I just kind of use whatever I've got in the shower. So it's either Superdrug Extracts, the Only Curls conditioner, which is really nice and creamy, that one's nice, or a deep conditioner, which brings me on to this. So this is one of my favourites at the moment. So you can use this 3 ways. You can use it as a deep conditioner, just a conditioner, or a kind of touch-up treatment on dry hair. So I might show you that now because I do this quite a lot. I'll just kind of put a tiny bit in every night before I go to bed so it can absorb overnight. So just under dry hair, look how much I've got left. I've used this loads. I literally go in and out that much and then rub it into my palms, and then I just smooth it underneath, smooth on top, and then scrunch into the ends. It smells amazing. I wouldn't say it's got overly a banana scent. It's like that fake banana milkshake. I can more smell the Shea in it. So you can see it just gives a bit of definition. My hair is really rubbish today. It gives a little bit of definition, so it's great as a refresh, especially if you've got kind of curly hair. I think this would be great. And it smells good. So I put this in my hair before I go to sleep, just so it gets a bit of a moisture top up overnight. Other thing I've been using to refresh is this Flora and Curl Hydration Mist. I've just popped some on before filming this, so that's what probably has gonna get a little bit over saturated with product. So just a little bit to refresh. One thing I have in my hair at the moment, it's not as wavy / curly as it was because I'm basically living in a mum bun all the time because I have a baby, so it's always up, hence why my roots are quite flat, because I'm always just pineappling on my head. My favourite Detangler, I'm always reaching for this, and I've had this a long time. So I've had the Flora and Curl stuff for a long time. There's a review on those, I'll put a link up. This smells lovely and it just makes my hair really, really soft. So at the moment, I'll be honest with you, all I'm doing is washing my hair and then putting a load of this in, soaking wet hair, and that's it. I'm not putting gel in, I'm not doing anything. I'm just trying to look after my hair because I don't really have opportunities to wear it curly because my little boy just pulls my hair all the time, so I'm always wearing it up. So I'm just more looking after my hair, which, you know, I've got lots of volume. I have got wave there. It's not as wavy in the winter anyway, but you know, it will come back in the summer. But when I do use a gel, it is still the curl jelly that is my favourite. But those are what I'm reaching for the most. I've kind of really kind of going back to my old stuff now. So I've just got some of the Naughty Hair Care. I've got the leave-in anyway, and I got brought the shampoo and conditioner for my birthday, so I'm going to play around with those again because my hair's a lot different. As you can see, it's growing so well. If you look back to January, it's grown quite a bit. In one of my previous videos, how to start the curly girl method, it's grown quite a lot. So that is my focus at the moment. I last had it cut in December and I trimmed the ends around February time. So I've decided this year, for the whole of 2019, I'm aiming only for me to trim the ends, and when I do trim them next, I'm going to film it so you can see what I do, because I'm getting married in December, so I want to get as much growth as possible in my hair. And yeah, they're my favourite products at the moment. Any more kind of curly suggestions for your videos, let me know and I'll have a go. Take care guys, thanks, bye.